Hi. Today, we will see how to create segmented buttons in a Java Android app. Let's start by looking at the project structure. Here, we have the main activity. In the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout file for the main activity. Let's look at the UI. Here, we have 3 segmented buttons, 1, 2, and 3. Let's see their code. This is the constraint layout. Inside it, we have a material button toggle group. Inside this group, we have 3 buttons. This is button 1. Note the text color and background tint attributes. When a button is selected, we change its background color and text color. We have written 2 XML files in the res/color folder to handle this. We'll look at them shortly. Next, this is button 2. And then, this is button 3. Now, in the res folder, we have a color folder. Inside that folder, we have 2 XML files. One for managing the background color of the buttons, and one for managing the text color of the buttons. In the first file, we manage the background color. When a button is clicked, we change its background color to purple. Otherwise, the background color stays white. Similarly, in the second file, we manage the text color. When a button is clicked, we change its text color to white. Otherwise, the text color remains black. Okay. Now, let's look at the main activity.java code. These are the imports. This is the main activity class. Inside the onCreate function, we write the logic for the segmented buttons. When any button is clicked, the add-on button check listener is triggered. Here, we check which button the user has clicked and display its name in a toast. Let's run the app and see how it works. Then, we'll explore a few more things. We can see the 3 segmented buttons. When I click the first button, its name is displayed in a toast. The same happens for the other 2 buttons. Also, I can unselect the buttons. Okay. Now, what I want is that button 1 should be selected by default when the app runs. Here's how we do it. We use the ToggleButton.check function and pass the ID of button 1. Let's run the app again. As you can see, button 1 is already selected. Okay. Now, I want the user to be able to select only one button at a time. This is how we do it. We use ToggleButton.setSingleSelection, true. Let's run the app again. As you can see, now I can select only one button at a time. When I click another button, the previously selected button gets unselected. Okay. Now, I want at least one button to stay selected at all times, and the user should not be able to unselect it. This is how we do it. We use ToggleButton.setSelectionRequired, true. Let's run the app. As you can see, when only one button remains selected, I cannot unselect it, even if I click it multiple times. At least one button must remain selected. The link to download this code is given in the description box below this video. So, that's it. That's how you can implement segmented buttons in a Java Android app. Thanks for watching.